Hello, dear IELTS candidates. Hope you're doing okay. Well, I'm back again with another useful and fruitful video file in order to increase your desired band score, specifically for the questions related to people in Part 2 speech. Well, so far we've covered a lot of formulas, tips, and strategies. If you have not watched those video files, please check back the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and, of course, share this channel with your friends, those who are suffering from the getting a preferred and, let's say, desired band score in IELTS test. Anyway, today we're gonna talk about another simple strategy in order to expand our details about questions in Part 2 and specifically about people. Always remember that in Part 2, candidates often need to describe a person's habits, routines, and of course, behavior. Adverbs of frequency help make these descriptions more precise, natural, and of course, academically appropriate. They are very simple, like always, usually, sometimes, never, But the question is, do we remember these to use in the IELTS test? If not, we have to be really more cautious because these simple pieces of puzzles help us to get ourselves more close, or let's say closer to our desired band score. So let's take a look at here. Clear explanation. Use adverbs such as always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never to show how frequently a person does something. This is especially useful when describing someone's personality, lifestyle, or relationship with others. Let's take a look at some examples here. My mother usually wakes up early and starts her day with exercise. So this is how my mother's day starts and ends. Okay? My teacher often gives the students extra advice after class. This is talking about my teacher's strategy about managing a class or something. So by using the adverb of frequency of often. Let's take a look at more examples here. My cousin sometimes helps me with my studies. My grandfather rarely complains even when he is tired. My best friend always listens carefully before giving advice. I am pretty sure that you have already been familiar. You are already familiar with all these simple adverbs of frequencies. But you have to remember to use them properly, and of course, in a very natural way, not in a mechanical way. This really matters. Now, there are some more adverbs here, like twice a week, 3 times a month, every morning, every summer vacation. And of course, some examples here, like she visits her parents every weekend, he calls his grandmother twice a week. So please remember that these tiny little small pieces, when you put them together, they become a very, let's say, sophisticated picture or a perfect outcome for an IELTS Part 2 speech. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon with more tips and strategies. Bye for now.